Have you ever noticed how often we say less than in English? It's one of those expressions we use without thinking. Less than a minute, less than 10 people, less than perfect. Let's explore 5 alternatives that can make your speech and writing more natural and precise. First, there's under, a quick and flexible option you hear everywhere, from business reports to weather forecasts. You can say, children under 12 get free tickets, or the temperature stayed under 10 degrees last night. It's short, simple, and perfect for talking about numbers, limits, or measurements. Next up is below, which often sounds a bit more formal or technical. When something drops to a lower level, you can say, the company's revenue fell below expectations, or her score was below average. This work helps you sound clearer and objective, especially when dealing with data or comparisons. Then we have fewer than, which is your go-to phrase for countable things, people, cars, ideas, or books. You might say fewer than 20 people show up, or there are fewer than 5 seats left. It's grammatically precise and instantly makes your English sound polished. The fourth option, underneath, shifts the mood. While it's not usually about numbers, it's great when you want to describe something physically or metaphorically hidden or lower. For example, the cables are hidden underneath the floor, or she works underneath the department head. It adds a sense of layering or subtlety that less than can't capture. Finally, there's short of. This one adds emotion and a sense of almost but not quite getting there. We short off our goal by just a few votes, or his time was just short of the record. Is the language of effort, progress, and near success.